everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm going to take you along with another what I ate today, so let's jump into this and see exactly how my day went. Okay, you know how I start my day. Going to make myself 1 cup of coffee. I'm going to use my mocha today, and also use 1 of my sugar-free vanilla creamer. So I'm going to get my coffee made, and then I'll figure out what I'm going to have for breakfast. You can see that it is now 9:30. Just a little spoiler alert, second cup of coffee. So I'm at 2 smart points after this one. Okay, so for breakfast today I've decided to have the Ham It Up egg cups, and I have a previous video on how to put this together, so I'll link that one down in the comments, but I'm super excited. These are so good. The way that I made them today, it's only 2 smart points per 3 of them, so yum. Okay, just had to give you one quick look at the finished product. Don't these look absolutely amazing? So 3 of these are going to be 2 smart points because I used that Velveeta cheese, and I only used 1 smart point per 3 of them to make sure that I could measure it out and be able to count them out a little better. And the ham that I was using, I should have taken a picture of it, but I just threw the package out. I think I just bought it in my grocery haul, so you'll be able to find it there. But these are going to be 3 of them, 2 smart points. I'm probably going to make myself 2 pieces of the Aunt Millie's toast, so I'll take a picture of my breakfast, and then stay tuned, and I'll let you know what I'm having for lunch. Delicious, right? Okay, so here's my breakfast. I have 3 of the ham and cheese bake cup things. I always forget the name of things when I go to talk about them. 2 slices of bread and some watermelon. Now, I'm going to top my toast with this spray butter, and I was totally shocked. We talked about spray butter in one of my classes last week, and some people weren't sure or had never heard of it. So this is the spray butter that I'm using today. It is the Parquet. It is, let's see if I can get a good hold, 0 calories. And you can use a lot of this for 0 smart points. Just remember just to use the spray only. Don't be taking the top off and pouring it in, because if you're pouring it in that quantity, it's probably going to end up being points. But as far as just using some sprays to coat your toast, you're all set. So just wanted to talk about this because, again, I was totally shocked that this was not a well-known fact. So here it is. You can find it right in the butter section. All right, so now I'm going to make some lunch. I'm not really starving, but I know what's going to happen is I'm going to not eat something like something that will stick with me. And then by the time I make it to Weight Watchers tonight to teach my class, I'm going to be starving. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw together a really quick lunch, and I'll tell you one of my go-tos is the steamable veggies. This is the California blend, and I really like this one because I can just throw the whole bag in the microwave. And then what I pair that with is Tyson grilled chicken strips. And between the 2 of these, I'm getting my protein here, I'm getting my veggies here. I'll throw on maybe a Mrs. Dash seasoning on my veggies just to kind of give them some flavor. But that'll be enough to kind of keep me going so I'm not starving by the time I make it to the studio tonight. And then tonight when I get home, I'll just go ahead and have dinner, and I won't be, just totally famished by the time dinner time hits. So this is one of my go-tos. Now, in the comments, I want you to tell me what your go-to lunch is. So if you're not really starving, but you know you need to eat because otherwise you're going to get into that same situation, you're just going to be starving. Let me know what your go-to lunches are, and maybe we can give each other some really good ideas. I'm always looking for new ideas for lunches because sometimes you just don't want a salad. Like today I have all this stuff for salads. Totally don't want that today. So I'm going to go ahead and get this in the microwave. I'll take a picture and insert it after this little clip so that you'll see what it looked like on my plate. So I almost forgot to include this footage. I had the dilemma today. I have these cookies from Costco, and the white chocolate macadamia cookie was 8 SmartPoints. So when I thought about having this earlier, I went ahead and tracked it and put it in my tracker because I thought, you know what, I might as well just track it, so if I eat it, then I eat it. And then when I got home from work, which you'll see in just a second, my husband had went out and picked up Kentucky Fried Chicken, so I was gonna come home and cook, and then when I seen that, I just thought, you know what, I'm tired, I'll just eat that. And I took the cookie off my tracker and went ahead and made my plate and just had dinner that was here. So I'm sure that if you attended my class tonight, we had talked about this cookie, and I'm here to say that I did not eat the cookies, so here they are. So I'm gonna send these home with my grandchildren tonight so that they're out of the house, and it will be one less temptation that I have tomorrow. All right, so I'm gonna jump you into dinner and then I will wrap this up. I'm sure today was not super exciting, but I like to try to share with you at least once a week of what I ate today when I can. Okay, so for my dinner today, it's a good thing that I had a 0-point lunch because my dinner has costed me 25 points. Yep, you heard it, 25. So today was a little uneventful. My breakfast was 4 SmartPoints, my coffee was 2, so that's 6 plus the 25, which brings us up to 31 SmartPoints for the day. So not too bad. I did actually have the points, and again, I did have that 0-point lunch, which really saved me. And if I get hungry later, which I don't because it is actually 8 o'clock at night, but I do have the watermelon still here that I could have some of if I needed to. Sometimes you just want something sweet after having something like this. So Kentucky Fried Chicken, mashed potatoes, gravy, chicken breast. I'm only going to eat half the skin because that's where most of the points are going to come from for that. And I'm going to have the biscuit. So with that said, I think I'm just going to sign off from here for the day. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.